if a company's trying to hire in a marketer to be the superstar and they expect huge results from this person, firstly, you can't outsource your core competence. And you can't bring a marketer in even if the core competence isn't already there. Now, I had a chat to a founder, or a director in New Zealand actually recently, who was building a franchise, was selling franchises to franchisees, and was a bit like, oh crap, we don't have enough leads for these franchisees. This is part of what I offer them is leads because they buy the franchise, I send them work. That's the value I bring them. And then wanted a marketer to come in and start generating all these leads. It's like, hang on a second, mate. Like, no, that's what you should be great at. If that's what you're selling, you should be great at that. No, do not outsource that for a start. And it was, the same type of red flags you'll see is the hit the ground running. This type of words are dangerous. Like if someone says hit the ground running with marketing, run. Just run. Yeah, hit the ground running the other way. You can't. You can't.